part, that is page number 72, climate and adaptation. Page number 72, climate and adaptation. So everyone open page number 72. Now we have to find out what is the relationship between climate and adaptation. Now to discuss this, we have to think about some animals. Okay. Now just think about human being. Human being can easily live on earth, because here the temperature which is favorable for the living of the human being, and if you follow the region, that is polar region, there also some human beings are there. But if we are placed on the high altitude, that is in the Ladakh or Leh, where the temperature is less than 0 degree in every time, then we will suffer from a lots of problem. We will suffer from a lots of problem at first days, and during some days we will be suffering from that. Sometimes it may be also true that our life will be threatened during the atmosphere which is in the high altitude, which is not favorable for us. There is the climax for that. Now we have to be adapt on that situation. Okay, so the adaptation is required when the altering conditions of the weather parameters. So adaptation, that means adaptation with the environment, with the temperature, and also with the atmosphere. Atmosphere means just I am taking about some animals, that is the penguin, the polar bear. Now these are the animals which lived on the polar region. Now the polar region, here the weather is in extreme condition, extreme weather condition, that means very low temperature, it is less than minus 15 degree throughout the year, and it found that only 6 months here sunlight is seen, and the latter 6 months there is only the dark situation is there. Very light, very faint light is found during that session. Because the sunlight is as it is coming out by the reflection from the snow. Okay, so here the reflection that is coming out, here the sunlight having high, the rays having high energy, so we are getting sunburn. And as the weather is also remains cold, so our body temperature also remains cold. So for this reason it is the sunburn is found. Now come to the next. So extreme weather condition is there in the polar region. So this is the technique. The adaptation is called a technique, so that we have to be adjusted with the climate. Okay, so this para, that is point 7.3, you can see that here an example of adaptation of animal to climatic condition. These are to be discussed on the later section. Now some well-known countries that belong to the polar region. This part is very important. You have to be remembered the names of the countries, that is Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska. Okay, and these are the countries where the polar region are there. USA and Siberian region of Russia. Examples of countries where the tropical rainforest are found, then we can see that there is a discussion on the animals which is used to be lived on the polar region and also in the tropical rainforest region into different sections. Now the tropical rainforests are found in India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda and Nigeria. So you have to remember these 2 points, that is where we can found the polar region and where we can found the next, that is tropical rainforest. Now coming to the next section, that is the polar region. Polar region, it is given in the section activity 7.31, the polar region. The polar region are present at extreme climate. I have already mentioned it. These regions are covered with the snow and it is very cold for most of the part of the year. The 6 months sun does not set at the poles, while the other 6 months our sun does not rise. So these are the features of that region. In winter, temperature can be low as minus 37 degrees centigrade. Temperature is as low as 37 degrees centigrade. No, it is not an activity. Activity is 7.2. Take an outline map of world, mark the polar region in blue. Similarly, mark the tropical region in red. Nigeria is hot weather, yes, because it is in the region which is situated 0 to 5 degree from the 0 degree. Now it is lower than minus 37 degree centigrade. So what is the maximum temperature which can be gained in the polar region? In the winter time it is minus 37 degree centigrade. Animals living there have adapted to the severe condition. Let us see how they adapted by considering the examples of polar bear and penguin. So polar region, it is the extreme. So what are the features? Number 1, it is situated on the in the tropical region, as the North Pole and South Pole. Here the polar regions are situated. Here the sun do not set for 6 months, and later 6 months it does not rise. Number 3, in winter, maximum time it remains very cold. In winter the average temperature is minus 37 degrees centigrade. It is below 37 degrees centigrade, etc. Okay. Now 2 animals which are adapted on that, that is polar bear and penguin. These 2 animals are adapted on the polar region. Now so adaptation is the technique which is used by the animals to live in on that place, to live in with the atmosphere, or to live in with the climate. So this is the adaptation. Now we will find out the special features of polar bear which helps them to protect from the temperature, extreme temperature, and also to protect from the predators, and also how they hunt, how they take their food. Okay, now come to the page number 73, figure 7.3. There is a chart is given, and this chart will tells you about the special features of that. So number 1, just look at the picture, it having white fur. So for this reason the predators and the prey are unable to see it. The predators and prey are unable to see it because of white color, because the snow is also white. Students, do you have 2 classes now? What is the photosynthesis, from where it is coming? Is the biology class is ongoing in the same time? Okay, okay, so okay, so white fur. So number one features is polar bear. Number one is white fur. White fur is helpful for the to live their life because it cannot be seen by the hunters because they are well hunted, because they are used to get their flesh, etc. Number two is that it has two thick layer of fur, two thick layer of fur. How it is useful for them? It is useful to live in the extreme temperature, so that the white layer of fur, the temperature would not enter in the body. Number three is that it has a layer of fat under its skin, a layer of fat. What does it do? The white layer of fat, it insulates the body from the cold and keep it warm. The layer of fat is used to insulate their body to live, to keep it warm, and it has a long curved and sharp claws. Number four, long curved and sharp claws. How it is help? Long curved and sharp claws, it help to walk on the ice. Just look at the picture. Here you can see the long curved and sharp claws. And number five is that it has a very strong sense of smelling. So strong sense of smelling. So how does it useful? It use them to hunt, okay, so take their food so that they can easily use their smell to locate and catch their prey. So these are the features found by seen in the polar bear: white fur, two thick layer of fur, a layer of fat under its skin, and a long curved and sharp claws, and strong sense of smelling. So these colorless. Why it is colorless? It is not colorless. It having the layer of fur in their body, and the fur color is white. Yes, camel lives in the desert, extremely hot, but why? But the layer of fur is not comparable with that of the camel, because camel have a very thin layer of fur, but the layer of fur, just you think about the dogs, that is the spaniel dogs, which are of just the winter area, that means the cold area, just a layer of fur you can see in the dogs. So this kind of fur is found in polar bear, but in case of camel, it is the fur is very small and the layer is not so thick. It is the thin layer of fur is found. Yes. So bark fur, the fur which is used to make wool, because they having the fiber, they are the fiber, so these fibers are binded up to make the wool, because they are warm. No, polar bear's body is white. Polar bear's body is white, and you found out in the page number 73, Soikot. It would be clear then. Now come to the next part, that is penguin. So what are the special features? Remember this, the 5 points, and also this is a long type question. Now come to the penguin. Now penguin are also white in color. Where you can find, Soikot, where is written that polar bear body is black in color? No, the dogs, the bark of the polar bear are used to make the wool. It's also used to make the wools. For this reason, it is highly economic. The penguins are also white in color so that they can hide there in snow. So number 1, color. Color is white for penguin. Number 2, they have a thick skin with large fat content in their body so that they can survive in the cold. So a thick layer of fat which keeps their body warm. Number 3, the penguins are generally live in a crowd or nest closely so that they can stay warm. So live closely or in a crowd. And number 4 is another point. The penguin has the webbed feet which allow them to swim. Webbed feet to swim. Not known till now. It will be uploaded later on when the exam will come for the term 1. So these are the features of penguin. So discussed the polar bear and also the penguin. On the next day I will discuss the next part from the page number 74. Syllabus is till now not updated.